If your videos are not getting enough views, it's probably time for you to start focusing more on your hooks. And in this video, I'm gonna give you some valuable tips to help you craft better video hooks to get more viewers and keep them watching longer. A video hook is basically how you start the video. It's the sentence or phrase that's meant to grab the viewer's attention and keep them begging for more. In my opinion, this is the most important part of your video because it's gonna determine whether or not somebody's gonna stay or swipe. First tip is to make them short and sweet. People's attention spans are nothing. So if you can make your hook 1 or 2 sentences max, think about 1 to 3 seconds of your video, that's the sweet spot. Next, try being a little controversial or provocative in your hook. Say something that might grab somebody's attention and make them react either in a positive or even a negative way. This will definitely drive up some interest and make people want to see what you have to say next. Next up, don't be afraid to be super specific in your hook. Remember, you're trying to build an audience of like-minded individuals. So if your video is not for literally everybody, make that video for that specific viewer that you're trying to attract. Before we keep going, make sure to stay to the end of the video because I'm going to give you a few video hooks that you should try in your next video. Moving right along, ask a question in your hook. Questions are great, especially if they're a little controversial or provocative. They're going to drive engagement in the comment section, but it's also going to make people stay to hear what the answer is. Next up, use humor if you can. If it fits the tone of your video, making somebody laugh is a great way to get their attention. I will say though, if you are not naturally funny, do not try to be funny on camera. It will not work. Finally, this is probably my most important tip. Use the word you in the first sentence of your video. By using the word you, you're making the viewer feel like the video was made specifically for them. This will lead to much better watch time and engagement. All right, so if those tips didn't completely inspire you, here are a few examples of some video hooks that you can use on a variety of videos. 5 ways that you can do X in a very short amount of time. Here's a simple way to do I'll bet you never tried doing this. You won't believe how easy it is to do this. Here's something I bet you didn't know about. So next time you're recording videos, spend a little bit more time crafting your hook, no matter what the topic of your video is. It'll do a much better job of grabbing that person's attention and hopefully making them stay to the end of the video. If you got any value out of this video, a like is always appreciated. And if you want more creator tips just like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.